Hey guys, this is Maxim from Yingyi Machinery. This is a full automatic production line for cutting steel coins into the steel sheets. The steel coins thickness can be from 1.0 mm up to 6 or 8 mm. And the steel coins width can be from 1,250 up to 2,000 mm. The steel sheets usage can be very different, such as the construction and automobile and the different construction usage. And next, we will see how the machine working process.